Hi, so today we are going to see about 4W plus H for the Shell app. And so the 4Ws are what, who, why, what is the goal, and the H is how. So what are these problems are we going to solve is, so the app provides a station locator feature helping users to find the nearest Shell stations based on their current location. அப்புறம் இந்த ஆப் இன்னும் யூசர்ஸ் ஈஸியாக இருக்கணும், பேமெண்ட்டுமே ஆன்லைனில் மாற்றிட்டாங்க. அண்ட் இந்த ஆப்பில் இன்னொரு ப்ளஸ் பாயிண்ட் என்னென்னா எல்லா ஃபீச்சர்ஸுமே நீங்கள் ஒரே பிளேஸில் இருந்தே பண்ணலாம். லைக் ஃபியூவலிங், ரிவார்ட்ஸ், ப்ரொமோஷன் அண்ட் பேமெண்ட்ஸ். ஸோ இதெல்லாமே ஒரு பிளேஸ்லேருந்தே பண்ணலாம். So who are we solving? So நம்மளோட primary users வந்து frequent drivers like auto drivers, cab drivers அந்த மாதிரி, and secondary users வந்து occasional drivers like trip போகிறாங்க, weekend travel பண்ணுறவங்க மாதிரி. So why are we solving this? ஸோ எதுக்காக நம்ம இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்லாம் சால்வ் பண்ணுறோம்னா, யூசர்ஸ் வந்து ட்ராக் அண்ட் மேனேஜ் ஃபியூவல் பர்ச்சேஸ்க்கு ரொம்ப டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸ் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ அதுக்காகவும், அண்ட் டிரைவர்ஸ் வந்து நியர்பை ஸ்டேஷன்ஸ், பெட்ரோல் ஸ்டேஷன்ஸ் எங்கே இருக்குன்னு தெரியாமல் ஸ்ட்ரகிள் பண்ணுறதுனாலையும், அண்ட் கார்டு கேஷ் மூலயமா பேமெண்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு கஷ்டப்படுறதுனாலையும், அதுக்கப்புறம் டிரைவர்ஸ்க்கு இது எல்லாமே ஒரே இடத்துல நடந்துச்சுன்னா ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்க்காகலாம் நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணுறோம். எப்படி நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணுறோம்? ஹவ் வி ஆர் கோனா சால்வ். ஸோ இந்த ஆப் வந்து பெயின் பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாமே அட்ரஸ் பண்ணி சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ அந்த பெயின் பாயிண்ட்ஸ்லாம் என்னென்னா, the app automatically tracks users fuel purchase, reward points and offers. ஸோ அந்த ஆப் மூலியமாகவே நமக்கு ஃபியூவல் பர்ச்சேஸ் ட்ராக் பண்ணலாம், நம்மளோட ரிவார்ட்ஸ், ஆஃபர்ஸ் எல்லாமே. இதில் வந்து ஸ்டேஷன் லொக்கேட்டர் ஃபீச்சரும் இருக்குது. ஸோ நம்ம இருக்கிற இடத்துலேருந்தே நம்ம கிட்ட எங்கெங்கே ஸ்டேஷன்ஸ்லாம் இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சலாம். அண்ட் ஸோ இதோட கோல், ஸோ ஷெல் ஆப்போட கோல் என்னன்னா, the goal of the Shell app is to enhance the customer service by providing a seamless, convenient and rewarding platform that drives user loyalty and increase engagement with Shell.
Hi, I am Saravanan. In this Shell project, we group lead it. In that particular project, my particular topic is user journey. So what are the difficulties faced by user when getting the fuel? If we that and all we see in this user journey. First of all, the user get the guard alert from the vehicle. After getting the alert from the vehicle, he notice that fuel tank is low. After, what he do is he recall a familiar petrol bunk. When the person close to the location means whether he is located in his native place means he will choose a familiar petrol bunk every day where he put petrol. No, so that petrol bunk he will choose. Other than whether he is in the out of station means he will choose through Google Map, he will search the petrol bunk. So through Google Map, how we choose the petrol bunk means depends on the criteria. What are the criteria means depends on fuel price, and what are the amenities provided, service provided by the petrol bunk, and depends on that. Amenities means we can take glossary shoppings in that petrol bunk, it's presented depend on that, and toilet facilities and air filling facilities depends on this criteria. You choose the petrol bunk. So after choosing the petrol bunk, user regularly refilling petrol with some brands. So for example, in this project we took the Shell app. So if he familiar with the Shell petrol bunk means so he will search that Shell petrol bunk through Google Map. So depends on the availability of the petrol he had. If that availability is enough to reach that petrol bunk means he will travel to that petrol bunk. If we not able to, that availability is not much more means for getting that petrol bunk means what he do means other options, other petrol bunk he will choose. So after choosing that petrol bunk, he will arrive at petrol bunk, choosing a petrol pump, whether he have a diesel or petrol vehicle. So depends on that, he will choose the petrol pump. So if busy means he will wait in the queue, interact with the attendant. and after interact with the attendant, what type of fuel, for example it's petrol or diesel, he convey the information to the attendant, and quantity, what how much amount of quantity he need depends that information also he convey to the attendant. After attendant start refueling it, after completing the refueling, by the payment method will come. So by cash, card or UPI or other digital payment. Here other digital payment means we can take whether he can choose the app also. So Shell app or any other app, petrol apps is there. So through that also you will pay the petrol payment and collect the receipt. If he need the receipt means he will collect, otherwise he will omit it. And additional service, ensure petrol cap is secured. After refilling the petrol, he will ensure that petrol cap is secured, and whether he need to refill the air means he will refill the air, and use other amenities like, so I already said that he can choose that use the toilet or other grocery shopping. So, and wipering of the car also he can make there, and finally exit petrol bunk, continue journey. So in this user journey, where and all 5 types of criteria are there. This emoji denotes that he was very sad. This emoji denote somehow sad, and it's a normal neutral, and this is happy, it's just very much happy. First of all, he get the alert from the vehicle. No, in that moment, I think he must be in a sad mode only. So next, locating a petrol bunk also, he will be in a sad mode only. So there, which petrol bunk choosing, that and all. So depends on that. He will definitely in a sad mode. And choosing of bunk, when he choose in coming in choosing of bunk means, so how much petrol he have depends on that only. He will choose the bunk. He already adapted to the familiar brand. So whether he will reach that point or that and all in his mind is going on. So he during that choosing of bunk, he became very much sad, and after reaching the petrol bunk, so somehow he became happy. But why I'm putting this point as happy means he not become more happy. Sorry, when reaching the petrol bunk means in a neutral position. Why I'm putting this not in a happy mode means because whether he need to stand in a queue or other delay also can occur. So depends on that. So in a neutral mode in that time, after fuel refilling, he become more happy. So here I lost that this ring, green ring. So after refilling, he became more happy. During the payment mode, he became somehow he sad only. So after completing all those refilling and all the amenities he needed, so he became more happy and continued his journey.
Hi guys, I'm Shriram. Now we are going to look into the business model of the Shell app. First, you can see our main core is the Shell app Asia. The key partners are Shell, who provides the fuel, banks, who provides the fundings, and in some cases the bank provide a special credit card so that we can get rewards and all, and fleet operators for bulk orders and get a valuable discount. Channels, app, website, and social media. Here, the Shell people are connecting to the user so that they can inform any offers are there, so and so things and all. The key resources are tech partnership and data because of the data securities and to manage the app as well. Even the core structure is the same. You can see the app development because of the structural maintenance, marketing for updation and so on so thing, and support. If you are going to the value proposition here, it's an important phase in the Shell app where the Shell people provide loyalty points. If you are paying for a fuel of approximately 300 rupees, they are discounting it into 290 and giving you value points so that you can buy them. You can buy the fuel with the valuable points, or you can buy something in the convenience store. So it's a very good proposition. And the main customers are vehicle owners, fleets, and drivers, because if you are seeing into the cab drivers, so and so guys, every day they will be using fuels and all. So it is very good for them to get an additional fuel for the same cost, and they have a good 24/7 customer support. So if there is any misleading communications and all, they can get, and they provide a cashless payment through Shell app so that it will be easy for them to have a digital payment, and the revenue system is totally upon the fuel commission as we speak here, and the ads which they give in the apps and subsidiary brands.